There are no bisons in India. Can you believe? Yes, what we see here is Indian Gaur. We fondly call them as Indian bisons, but when you say bison, bisons are only found in North America and Europe, where these Indian Gaurs are a distinctive species. They are taller, heavier, and massive built compared to bisons. Both bisons and Gaurs are dangerous. At least Indian Gaurs are little shy and avoid human contact. They attack only when disturbed. Whereas these bisons are unpredictable, they are mostly aggressive.